students of Manipur, and also a free website creation for the School of Manipur today. Nishikanta Sapam made the announcement in collaboration with leading IAS coaching centers and IT World of Noida for free website creation for schools, which will kickstart from next year, 2022.
By Nishikanji, and then we'll be giving away scholarship worth 10 crores to the students of Manipur. It's a need-based scholarship. As you can see on my left, we are tied up with Sonu Sood. It's for the Sood Charity Foundation. It's a need-based scholarship for economically weaker and meritorious students. So especially for the people of Manipur, this scholarship is there by City University. And thirdly, as I said, we'll collaborate with ADNEED to provide free websites to the schools, because a website can take you places, right? People sitting in any part of the country, any part of the world can come to know about your school, or about your college, or about your organization. You have a decent website. So ADNEED will be helping the schools of Manipur on that part, along with City University.
Texas moi meams ne pullaga sidai da online UPSC khoi IAS hai khangnei ko adugi coaching se sigi free de to wai je kerba mi amana quota da chatlaga adum khangni me lupa lakh ta ting mane in lakhs quota da changa leita bni quota to hojik ti online se loi yar mina online the free class hai je akhoi gi paisa pai gera pai roira laik po heredi ma gi ama online changa keno fill up to am chang mane adugi pota ai sidai da associate to dai adu mating nuai aduna so associate tawrini adu si je akhoi gi Manipur da leijadaba like the heiba moi dong ta di pura blessing in disguise.